Jason, what are we doing?
We are heating up this ignorant nut because Lee is on his way back with an axle.
They gave him the right parts?
They won't give him just a CV joint.
So you got the whole shebang?
They will only sell him the whole axle, which they're building for him now.
Huh. How was his mood?
Not happy with him.
But hopefully we'll be back on the road here shortly.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Nice shirt. You get it fixed?
Second base!
Don't do that! Hey man, we gotta... This is what happens when you build your car with snap-on tools.
You made a couple passes. Give me an update.
I'm slipping the brakes trying to load up the converter to leave. So bleeding them just to make sure I don't have any air in the system or anything that's causing me to slip. But last pass actually worked, went down 1, 2, 3, didn't spin. I don't know what the time was because I red lit because the brake slipped, but it felt good. So we're gonna do this and get back at it.
Same time.
30 when my daddy built this station, he said he didn't have no idea it was gonna look this good. He said this looks a whole lot better than it did. It was just, you know, dirt road and all that. But you see, it's a Gulf pump. They're both gravity fed pumps back in them days, and that's a Gulf pump and that's an ethyl pump. And right above the door there, I zoomed it in on the computer when I scanned the original. There was a sign where the Mountain Dew is now, and it said that gas was 5 cents a gallon.
Wow.
Can you imagine?
No, sir.
I can't even.
That's an awesome picture, sir.
Thank you, brother.
What year was that?
1930, that's when the station was built.
Wow.
So in 6 years, it'll be 100 years old.
That's awesome.
Lord willing. That is awesome. But y'all are welcome to go in and look around. There's a jukebox in there and the old drag racing stuff.
Keep it going.
Thank you.